Airtable tutorial for project management, the ultimate Airtable tutorial. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with Airtable and the basic tips and tricks that you need to build the ultimate project manager in Airtable. Airtable allows you to connect to other applications. It's built to be simple yet intuitive to use. So let's get started. To get started, simply head on over to airtable.com. Once you are on airtable.com, you are going to click on sign up for free. Now, you might wonder, hey, Airtable must have plans, and is the free version really comparable to its paid versions? Well, on the free version of Airtable, you have unlimited bases, 1,000 records per base, and up to 5 editors, with 1 gigabyte of attachments per base and 100 automations that you can run. Now, if you want to upgrade these features and they do not align with your project management needs, you can upgrade to the team version at $20 per member per month. This is on annual billing. If you choose to proceed with monthly billing, you're going to be charged $24 per user. But this includes 50,000 records per base, 25,000 automations, and 20 gigabytes of attachments. So it definitely is an upgrade. This really depends on the size of your organization and whether or not your team needs a highly specialized system or not. So we're going to proceed with the free version over here, and we're going to sign up to Airtable. All you need to sign up to Airtable is a valid email address. You're going to put that in and then click on continue. Then you're going to enter your full name and you're going to create a suitable password for your Airtable account. Click on continue over here. And once you click on continue, you will be asked what type of team you are on. So this helps in building your Airtable bases and ensuring that you're able to build a space that you can work on for your project. I'm going to skip this and we can add people as we go. We can also link our pre-existing data onto Airtable as well. Now we're going to start building our first application and I'm going to use my business name. So our business is called Meraki and we're going to give it a nice purple color. Then after that, we're going to change the logo and then just click on next. After that, you're going to choose the department. So this is a project management system that I'm looking to build and then click on next. Now, within project management, there are certain things you might want to include, such as OKRs, which allow you to track your progress against your key results or key objectives. Then you have budgeting, programs, as well as projects, tasks, risks, or any other type of custom project element. So for my project, I want to have OKRs. I want to have a simple system for programs, projects, which means that I have, sub projects within a project. Then I have tasks that I want to keep separate. And yeah, that's around it. After that, I'm just going to click on next and you can add direct automations. I am not going to be adding those. I just have a simple tracking and assigning tasks section. Then we have the collect status updates. We can add that as well. We can add a scheduled digest, but I'm just going to proceed with the plain setup for our project manager. Now, once we have done that, we can get started with our Airtable project manager. On the left, you will see a simple bar, and you can expand this bar to see your entire menu. You have separate sections for all of your basic project needs, and you can create multiple different projects. Additionally, if you want to link any type of data source, simply click on the title of your project and then click on View Data. Once you do that, you will be able to see the data section. Now, if you want to move back into your basic dashboard, you can move back and proceed. Now, over here, we have our OKRs, and you will see certain default or sample information is inserted. So update privacy policy, reduce product return rate by 100%, improve customer satisfaction by 15%, SEO strategy. There are a bunch of different objectives that are inserted over here. And I am going to click on add objective. And let's say this is going to be for my social media virality or social media progress. Social media, I think I'm gonna take inspo, improve website UX, implement SEO strategy. So our objective is to gain social media traction. And the key results that I'm looking for is increase Instagram followers by 10K. And you guys can see it's not going to display this type of result, obviously, because these aren't, the pre existing default amounts added. And this is for, let's say, Q4. And I'm just going to click on create over here. Now, you will see when I add this particular result, I can just type in my own result over here, which is to increase Instagram followers by 10K, like this. And then you will have your status. So currently, let's say this is not started. And then after that on Airtable, because this is a project, so this is our OKR and who might be the basic lead for this project. Let's say it's Lily. And then we can add a description, we can add the quarter as well as the linked project. So what you're going to do is from here, you can go into your project section and start building different projects for different team leads or build different projects based upon the goals that you're trying to achieve. Now, I have these pre-existing projects. We can go on ahead and select these, and you can remove these if they are not aligning with your project, or you can rephrase these, you can edit these. This just depends on your preference. I'm going to click on add project and add my own first. So this is going to be our project for social media marketing, and we can add a start date. Let's say it's starting from today, and this project is meant to end, not today. Let's say it's meant to end on the last date of the year, and this is in progress, and this is, let's say, assigned to a particular person. You can add the priority for this as well, and you can link programs, tasks, and results. So I'm going to link a result, which is the result that we just created, which is to increase Instagram followers by 10K. So what you're going to do is within your project manager, now everything is linked. So you just by an overview will know your company goals that you're trying to reach, okay? Who is the owner? What type of projects have been started to achieve those goals, and what type of tasks are present within those projects. You can go into the project section and you will see different projects that you have created. Even within one program, you can create multiple different projects. So your program might be social media management, and under that, you have multiple projects. So let's say you have the project to increase followers, the project to increase engagement, so on and so forth. And then after that, you're going to go into tasks and start building individual tasks that are going to help in increasing or reaching those particular projects to their completion. So click on add task over here, and you're just going to type in your task. Let's say this is to run Facebook ads. And I will just add the project, which is social media marketing. And this is to, let's say, this is not related to a program, so I can just add it as a regular task. And within that, you even have tabs for all of your due tasks, all tasks, open tasks, as well as any tasks that are currently due. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you are now able to get started with Airtable. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.